seeing. I got my phone up.
My phone's not happening.
Well, you should have had it ready.
I should have.
It's still not
I'm
doing it
absolutely
yet.
nothing.
No, if you want to put it up to your face,
I'm
it's got to
trying
see
to
it.
get my phone up. Why is my phone
I don't
not
know.
working?
I don't know, but just look at the thing. You know, it's too. You know what? My phone is just not. Holy cow! Look at that thing.
I'm absolutely not prepared. My phone's not on.
Well, that's because, yeah, that's what I was trying to get you to.
There's the roar.
Whoa. That thing is just noisy. Oh my gosh, it's going right over my head.
Finally, I got my phone on.
You know what? It's so bright, it's not coming in clearly for me.
It's roaring. It's blast off.
But don't worry about it, Joel.
It's roaring.
Whoa, whoa, I'm gonna fall. Whoa. I just gotta look at this. Gonna go right across the moon. Look at that. Woohoo!
Is that radical or what?
That is radical.
I've hardly seen it worth
This
it.
is radical.
And then we might do a booster, but last time I never saw the booster.
Wow, it's really curving.
Look at its head sticking over.
Really?
Yeah. Oh yeah. Isn't that amazing?
Yeah. Wow, look at the colors.